Alright, what's up there, people? Hunter Spoke Welders here. Ain't nothing spectacular going on. Just another piece of the puzzle of the backyard renovation, backyard upgrade, whatever you may call it. It has been clear to me since now that I got the fire pit done. We need something to sit on out there to enjoy the fire. So this is just an unboxing of the so-called zero gravity outdoor chairs for the backyard. I have no idea what that means, zero gravity, but we're about to find out. Ordered them off of Amazon, and now I'm about to unbox them. Hopefully there won't be anything I have to put together because they are foldable chairs. They should just come out the box and be ready to go. Now the trick is, let me put this little X-Acto knife down before I cut my hand up. Now the trick is, can I pull these out with one hand? How heavy are they? Oh, not too bad. So far, so good. But I don't think I can get this plastic off of one hand. So let me pull one of them out the plastic and see what this is all about. But so far, so good. Okay. Well, it's looking pretty good. Looks like I don't have to put it together. Plastic just comes right off. Comes with a little tray. Okay, a little drink holder tray. So now I just gotta figure out how to unfold this bad boy. Oh, look at that. Try to kick this right up here. Okay, I see what's going on here. Unfolds pretty well. Now I'm going to sit in it for the first time to see how I like it. I don't know. We'll see. I'm assuming the zero gravity part has something to do with the foot kick out ordeal here. But I do like the little padding they have on here for your neck. Before I sit down, maybe I should see how this hooks on here. That's interesting. I'm not sure how this works here. Okay. Now I done figured out the whole rack system. There was really no instructions, so I just kind of had to wing it, and it basically just goes like that. I guess I could try it again. This little drink tray holder, so you can hold your drink and various other things. It just kind of snaps in there like that, and you press it down, and you got a little something for your drink. But now, I'm about to go sit in this chair and see how I like it and how it feels. Oh, it's pretty comfortable. Pretty comfortable. I like the little pad back here for your neck. Take my glasses off. Okay. Like a little neck cushion. Then we want to kick back. Oh yeah. Feels pretty good. Lounge out and relax. There you have it. There's two little knobs on the side, and I turned them all these knobs do is kind of get resistance to see how easy that the chair moves, like from this and this. I'm begging you can turn the knob and lock it in position. Yeah. You turn these knobs on the side and you lock it in position to where now you can't lean it forward. So unloosen the knobs, then you can freely lean it forward. You don't really need these knobs because once you get in this position, I mean, it pretty much stays like that. So there you have it, people, 100-spoke riders and the new outdoor lounge chairs. All right, yeah. Feels pretty good. These little knobs right here, these just kind of, that's how you lock the chair in position. If you want to lock it like this or lock it at any point and lounging it back. But as I said before, once you lounge it back, you're pretty much set right there. So that's what there's one on each side. But so far, so good, man. It feels pretty good. So definitely gets the 100-spoke riders stamp of approval. I'm not 100% sure how to pronounce that brand name. Bonnlo with a backwards N, I don't know. But check them out on Amazon. Well worth the money. All right, people. 100-spoke riders signing out with the new, another piece of the puzzle for the backyard update.